Erizoba umurimo gwo kubangura abanyeshengero ba Parliament 12 nubwo gwatandika kandi ogwo gwakorerwa ha Parliament muri Kampala. Abanyeshengero bashomesebwa entwaza ya Parliament okugamba muri Parliament okugamba omu bukiko hamwe n'ebindi byona ebikwatirine n'entwaza ya Parliament. Bamwe omu bagambe omu kushomesebwa oku yaba Right Honorable Thomas Tayebwa uri omuwezi wa Speaker w'ishengereri. Tayebwa yashobora nguzumwa mpinduka ezihinguzibwe ninke ya sente z'obukiiko bwa Parliament hamwe no kuzukutambura kuza omu mahanga go kuza kwega zona kuza omu nshaho y'aba chairman b'obukiiko bwa Parliament ahabo kushoronzya gye emirimo n'oburinganiza.
There will be no single travel, there will be no issuing of a ticket to you if your per diem is not available and you get it in advance. Because I've come to understand some of you, there is an Indian down there, the one who gives you money for per diem, for accommodation and all that when you travel. We issue you a ticket, we don't give you per diem. That has to stop. If money is not in the budget, if it's not yet released, then no travel. You wait. Is the world going to end? Because what does it take for us to say travel? And then by the time you pay per diem, the interest of a Muindi has already consumed it. Oh, you got to sleep in a hotel of $20 because you're broke. So all those, we are going to ensure that we streamline. And maybe this most important issue, and I want to be honest on this, and I request you, honorable colleagues, don't look at a speaker as a moving ATM. I want to be honest, because me, I had feared coming to office. You come to office, members have already surrounded you. If I don't have 10 million, 20 million, I don't enter office. I hide from you. Each one of us will receive salary.
Na bwanyuma twagambaho na bamwe abanyeshengero kandi basima hampinda hinduka ezikozerwe.
Kandi cyabe kintu kirungi batwegesa MPs okoshemeye kwetwaza MPs wanozo mwihanga erindi koro kubasa kuba no yetwaza ekindi okosh ebintu ebyoshemeye kukora umurimo gwa MP registration budgeting na nebindi.
Turi mu orientation session nungi munonga ahabo kuba netwegesa Parliament member wa Parliament oshemere kuba no kora iki
tuyino bukugu no kumanya umutren tugamba acha speaker cyagambizo bene cyangwa munonga abo kuba washanga committees baze empoweringa baza sente za travels baza sente okuri mu ya Parliament nchiyamba members ba Parliament nabakachikwako wasa kuri mu yabo kurundi munonga.
Erizo ankabanyishengero twayegesibwa ebintu byingi munonga ekina akunda kusima Right Honorable Tayebwa yatwegesaho ahamigasho ya committees kandi nano kugira ngo obukiiko bwayongerwa amani kugira ngo bugume bwemarire omyoga yabwe.
Erizoba nashemererwa munonga ahabwo mushomo gwa ba members of Parliament ogutwatandikaho ogurahwe orwa katano okushoma ori kuza kutandika emirimo butosha nikiba kirungi.
Bwanyuma yo kubangurwa omumetwarize y'ishengero abanyeshengero nibija kugeraho orushitama rwa kabiri orw'ishengero abwa Parliament 12 ahabiro bino kwa mukaga omwaka gw'2026 President Museveni arahereze yo State of Nation Address kuraga gasha kwa Ronald Ngabirano.
40